Rockford Chimney Supply presents the product overview of the Pre-Insulated Chimney Liner Bottom Termination. The Pre-Insulated Chimney Liner has a stainless steel inner flexible chimney liner with a 1/2 inch insulation and an aluminum outer flexible chimney liner. The outer wall and the insulation will need to be cut off in order to connect the bottom termination, such as a vertical liner to appliance connector or the 2-part T connection. Using tin snips, cut 2 inches of the outer wall aluminum chimney liner. Then you can use a knife to cut away the insulation to expose the inner stainless steel flexible liner. Now you are able to connect the bottom termination connector using the Quick Connect clamp. And there you have it, the product overview of the Pre-Insulated Chimney Liner Bottom Termination. If you still have any questions about the Pre-Insulated Chimney Liner Bottom Termination, you can feel free to reach out to one of Rockford Chimney Supply's certified technicians. You can contact them at 866-708-2446, or feel free to check out our website at www.rockfordchimneysupply.com. And from all of us at Rockford Chimney Supply, stay safe and stay warm by the fire.